Dear students, in this video, we're going to learn the fifth exercise in our first lesson. The fifth exercise in our first lesson. Répondez aux questions suivantes au passé composé. Suivez le modèle. Answer to the following questions in passé composé. You need to put the verb in passé composé in your answer. Now let's follow the example. Vous travaillez aujourd'hui? Are you working today? Can you see the expression aujourd'hui? And the verb is in present tense. Today and the verb is in present. But in your answer, today will change to yesterday and the verb from present it will change to passé composé. See, the same way we need to give all the other answers. No, but I have worked yesterday. Are you working today? No, but I have worked yesterday. So when it is aujourd'hui, when the expression is today, aujourd'hui, can you see the verb is in present tense? But when the expression is yesterday, hier, then the verb is in passé composé. So analyze, it's not a negative expression ne before the auxiliary verb par. There's nothing here. Only here you use no. But you're going to use the same verb, but it's going to be in passé composé. And you're not going to use the negative expression ne and pas like in the previous exercise. Let's go to the first question. The same way like the example we need to answer. Prakash is taking some gas or some petrol. This is a literal translation. Prakash is taking some petrol today. So is he going to fill up his car tank with petrol today? So can you see, here we have used the verb prendre. I've written some additional thing here. The verb prendre is conjugated in present tense because you had the expression aujourd'hui. So the verb prendre should be in passé composé in your answer, and we need to use avoir as the auxiliary verb. So you'll say no, mais, as in the example. Prakash is something like IL, he. You're talking about the subject noun Prakash. The equivalent subject pronoun is he. Prakash is taking some petrol? No, but he has taken some petrol yesterday. So when the subject is, when you have the expression aujourd'hui, the verb is in present tense, but the expression yesterday, hier, for that, the verb will be in passé composé. Prendre, we have used avoir as the auxiliary verb, but for prendre, you cannot go with the general rule to get the past participle, but you have a special past participle. I hope you remember this. The second question. Shyam et toi, Shyam and you, vous déjeunez en ville aujourd'hui? Are you having your lunch together in the city today? Can you see today? So the verb is in present tense. Now, like in the example, now we need to analyze déjeuner. It comes from this verb déjeuner, okay? And if you want to conjugate this verb in passé composé, we'll use avoir as the auxiliary verb. Okay, so Shyam and you are having your lunch in the city today. So like the negative expression, no, but we, see, you both, you plural. And what those two people, Shyam and the other person says, we have had our lunch in the city yesterday. Can you see? The verb déjeuner is in present tense because the expression is aujourd'hui, today. Here the verb déjeuner is in passé composé because the expression is yesterday. And passé composé, we're using avoir as the auxiliary verb. When the subject is nous, it is AVONS. And for déjeuner, how do you get your past participle? Cut ER and put E acute. Third question. Les étudiants obtiennent les résultats de l'examen aujourd'hui. The students are getting the results of the exam today. So here the verb obtien comes from this infinitive form, obtenir. Now we're going to put this verb in passé composé in the answer, but please remember the verb obtenir is not found in Dr. Miss Van Tram, we will use avoir as the auxiliary verb. So the students are getting the results of the exam today? No, but they, see, you don't use the subject noun students again in your answer. But since you know the context and you know about whom you're talking, you're using a subject pronoun they. No, but they have got the results of the exam yesterday. Can you see the verb obtenir? We have conjugated in passé composé when the subject is ILS, avoir is ONT, and for the verb tenir, TENU is the past participle. So the verb obtenir, the past participle is OBTENU. That's why you have here. And the verb obtenir is not found in Dr. Miss Van Tramp list. So that's the reason we have used avoir as the auxiliary verb. The fourth question, il fait beau aujourd'hui. Is the weather fine today? Is the weather beautiful today? So FAIT has come from this verb faire, F-A-I-R-E. Now please remember the verb faire in the question, it's in present tense because of this expression aujourd'hui. But in your answer, the verb faire is going to be in passé composé. No, it has been beautiful, or the weather has been beautiful yesterday. Can you see, my friends? Since you had the expression aujourd'hui, the verb faire is in present tense. Now you had the expression yesterday, the verb faire is in passé composé. The last one. So, toi et Preeti, vous nettoyez votre chambre aujourd'hui. You and Preeti, you both clean your bedroom today. And you're using the verb nettoyer, N-E-T-T-O-Y-E-R. That's your infinitive form. Now in your answer, you're going to put the same verb nettoyer, but it's going to be in passé composé. You and Preeti, you clean. So what you and Preeti, how you will give, you and Preeti will give the answer. You will say no, but we have cleaned. So when the subject is nous, your avoir conjugation is AVONS, that's your auxiliary verb. And nettoyer, how do you get your past participle? You cut ER and you put E acute. Now can you see, you clean your bedroom? No, but we have cleaned our bedroom yesterday. Can you see, VOTRE becomes NOTRE because the subject changes from vous to nous. So the possessive adjective our bedroom will change to, sorry, your bedroom will change to our bedroom. So according to the subject pronoun, you need to put the possessive adjective. Vous, and it is votre, you and your. Nous and notre, we and our. So this is how you need to do this exercise. You need to analyze the example, and the same way you need to get the answers for all these questions. I hope you've understood. Please watch this video again and you'll be able to understand this exercise well. Thank you.